This weekend, just what I needed. After a week of feeling like a damp dishcloth, riddled with flu, I'm supposed to wrestle this gigantic slab of vacuum-packed clingfilm. Then there's this run, been needing sorting for ages. And wouldn't you know it, the skies decided to join the party with a threat of rain. So time's a tight squeeze. And trust me, this week, so is my patience. Right, let's start with the inner run. I've been trying to get this started for weeks now. My arthritis has spurred me on to hurry up and get this going. I need to try and make this more of a coop than an inner sanctuary. It's cramped, awkward, just a real pain to get in and out. Somehow, now I've got to try and dismantle most of it. And in this tiny space, that'll be fun. Righto then, let's get this over with. These roof panels will need to go first, and of course they're not coming off easily. The rusty roof nails don't help, probably. But once it's off, it becomes quite a nice easy job to take the rest apart. I have fast-forwarded most of this, mainly because it took quite a while to get it done properly. The run was quite expensive when I bought it, and I really didn't want to damage it too much, making modifications. And then of course the weather. As if this wasn't already a delightful enough way to spend a weekend. Look at that, rain imminent. I need to protect the cover from intrusive and invading neighbour brambles. My garden is getting attacked from all sides this winter. If it's not these bloody things ripping holes in the tarps, it's the rear fence that still hasn't been fixed and threatening my polytunnel. Right, this bloody stuff, clearly packed by a sadist. Now this tarpaulin is heavier than it looks. It's a bugger to unfold. This is taking far too long. I'm getting fed up with it. But I need to get this done today. And these chickens, under my feet, every single step. Honestly, they're worse than toddlers. I know you're trying to help, girls, but get out of the way, will you? Right, now that's unstuck, we can look at getting it up. It started off quite well enough. Got the first corner in and along the length of the run. Starting to tie it in up on the roof frame. Oh, for goodness sake, it looks worse than what we took out. But I'm refusing to make holes in this tarp. I need a way to support it and stop it drooping down and getting in the way. I need rope. Just needs pulling. I'll just shore it up with a couple of bits of batten. Behold, a triumph of engineering or something. It's up. And it's covered. And yes, I'm fully aware of the structural integrity of this arrangement. The ropes are, doing their best. Let's just hope the wind doesn't get any bright ideas. This is, of course, a temporary measure, a stopgap until I can afford to do this properly. I really don't want anyone thinking this is my master plan. And here they are, the beneficiaries of my half-arsed efforts. They seem nonplussed. which, let's be honest, is about the best I could have hoped for. At least they're not actively complaining. Yeah. I have noticed one girl is looking a bit peaky. Looks like a case of water belly. I'll have to give her a look over. So, lessons learned? Right. Number 1, always check the weather forecast. Number 2, vacuum sealed plastic is the enemy. Number 3, chickens are entirely unhelpful. And perhaps, most importantly, number 4, sometimes, just sometimes, it's better to stay inside and wait until you've got actual time to do a job. So, there it is, my solution, if you can call it that. If you've ever had a DIY project go this badly, feel free to share your misery in the comments. Misery loves company after all, and if you want to see more of that sort of thing, then you know what to do. Just hope it holds. Still can't believe I spent a weekend doing this. Just wish I was in a better mood and not getting over that virus. Still, at least the chickens seem happy. For now. I'll see you in the next one. Should be in a better mood by then.